What's up, everybody? What is today? Today's a sad day. Last day, day 3. I'm getting kind of emotional here, Brian.
Are you?
Yeah.
Taking off.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, this is an experience and a half for me, for sure. So
For both of us, man. Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to today. I know you're looking forward to today because it's like you get to practice what you've been training for, kind of thing, right?
Sure.
It's definitely something cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Event day is always fun.
Yeah. Event day plus Atlas Stones, right?
Plus Atlas Stones. Yeah.
That's right. So that should be good. So that's what you're best at.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I'm definitely gifted with it, but it's also one of my favorites. So that makes it twice as fun.
You like picking up balls?
I like picking up heavy balls. Yeah.
I had to say.
That's the way you want to put it.
That's what I had to say, man. We have to start this day off with a joke.
Yeah, right.
All right, let's get some pre-workout in. Let's get some food in. We're gonna start training.
What you want? What you want?
We're training today, event training, good fun. What are we doing today?
So today we're working on mainly the events for the Arnold coming up. We'll do some log press. We're going to work with the big dumbbells, which will be a lot of fun. And then we're going to do some super yo carries and probably end with a little bit of stone training.
Okay.
So yeah, it should be fun.
Okay, cool.
With this right now, I'm just doing some speed work. I'm throwing some band tension on here so that when I try to move it quicker, it makes me fight against the band. So as I press it higher, the tension, it gets harder. So I get more and more weight in bands.
Right.
So yeah, it's a lot.
Your focus is speed on this, right?
Speed, yep.
Yeah.
So I want to be able to move it quickly and explosively.
Right. Big dumbbells. This is probably one of the most popular strongman things, isn't it?
Yeah, it's become very popular in the last 4 or 5 years.
Right. And then, so they're hard?
Yeah, I mean, they kind of come in all different shapes and sizes, and the handles are thicker and thinner, and that can present a challenge too. So it's an interesting event. These are nice because all the dumbbells, pretty much all the dumbbells I have are loadable.
Yeah.
So I can make them as heavy or as light as I want to,
right.
which makes training a lot easier. So,
right.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's
because this looks really heavy.
Yeah, it does. It does. I mean, it's the base weight of that's about 130 pounds unloaded.
Wow.
So and then you could go up. I've taken that to 300 pounds.
Wow.
A little bit over 300, but that's yeah, it gets really heavy, and I can make it a lot heavier if I put lead in it. So, yeah.
Is that something that I'm capable of doing?
I mean, this one is unloaded.
Yeah.
So 130 pounds. So I know that you lifted a 130 pound dumbbell in the gym, just a little bit different. So it'll be interesting to give it a go and see what you can do. Yeah, you guys see what you're getting real chopped up here. It's getting warmed up. Nice. There you go. Good. There you go. You're all right. Stable. Nope.
Oh man.
It's jumped right into that head first, which I could appreciate and I respect for sure, but there's quite a bit of technique.
Yeah, I guess so, right?
Yeah.
I was just like, I want to get this up.
Yeah.
Close, but no. No cigar.
What you want?
Come on. Yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, right. There you go. Cool.
Well, I lifted the baby weight. Now we get to see how it's really done.
Come on. What you want? What you want? Come on. What you want? Come on.
Typically, you want to be about in line with your hips, normal. A normal. I'm doing this one a little bit differently just because the weight is going to be so extreme.
Yeah.
So I'm warming up like I'm going to do the heavier one.
Right.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on.
Stay tight. There you go. Nice. Good. There you go.
really excited about this. Even though this is after training, tired, this won't be as easy right now. If you're fresh, obviously you'd be throwing stones over your head.
Sure.
But we're gonna go over, from the man himself, how to do stones.
Sure.
So if you can walk us through.
Yeah, so stones is a really normal strongman event to have. It's almost in every single contest, and it's been, in different cultures for hundreds of years.
Exactly,
really,
yeah.
Stone. So it's definitely a fun thing to do, and it's, I think, one of the best overall tests of strength, really. So it's pretty basic, straightforward for the most part. You're just gonna reach down, you're gonna hug the stone, try to get your hands as far as you can underneath it, and then with your arms straight, you're gonna wanna row it. So you don't wanna try to curl it up. You want to row it into your body, and that's a big mistake a lot of people make, because that'll really, really tax the biceps, and it opens you up for injury, which we don't want. So with the stone, obviously you can, if it's light enough, you can do it without tacky or any kind of sticky substance on your arms, but typically using a little bit of tacky is a safer way to go. So like we talked about with my store and whatever, you can, I sell tacky, and you can get tacky several different places to use for stones. So this is another form. It's just a spray tacky. You can just get any type of stick-em spray, stuff like that. It's really basic. It's a little bit easier to clean up. So that's what we're gonna try today, because we don't have as much time to clean up a big mess of tacky. And obviously you're not wearing, I should have got you some stone sleeves to wear, but
It's all right.
yeah, this is kind of a basic thing. We're just gonna have some fun. So, so we're not gonna use any of the regular tacky. We're just gonna go spray tacky. So we'll put some of that on your arms and on your hands.
Alrighty.
Get you a little.
That's cold.
So,
See, I'm a pussy with the cold.
yeah, I can see that. Jeez, this is. So you just kind of let it air.
It's getting really sticky.
Yeah.
It really is sticky.
So you'll kind of feel this. This stone's actually new, so that the surface is nice, and it doesn't have a lot of dirt or grime or anything on it. So this is going to be better or ideal for this type of tacky, just a spray tacky, so you should be fine.
Okay.
What's the heavy stone? Have you ever?
I don't know how heavy it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think this one is a little bit over 250 pounds.
Okay.
So it's not
It's light.
super easy, I guess, but it's actually the lightest stone I have. So this is what we're gonna do.
This is the amateur hour right here.
Yeah. So basically what you wanna do is your position is gonna be, you wanna line your toes up pretty much with the middle of the stone.
Okay.
From there, and then you'll reach down, and if you think of like Spock, if you will, where you open your hands up like that, you'll try to shove your fingers as far as you can underneath the stone, and they're probably gonna end up touching the ground, your finger will, and that's when you know you're in a good spot for this. And then you'll just squeeze tight, and then you're gonna row it into your lap.
Like this?
Yep, row it.
Yep. Okay.
So your arms will pretty much come straight down, and you'll grab it and squeeze hard, and then you'll pull it up, you get it in your lap, and once you get it into your lap, you're just gonna try to reach over the top of the stone and pull it, row it with your back, really, really tight, and then you'll just drive up with your hips, try to drive your hips forward, and we'll try to get up on top of here.
Okay.
Seems simple enough, right?
Yeah. Sort of.
So, go underneath like this.
Oh,
Man, this is so sticky.
Yeah, there you go.
Do my fingers have to touch?
No.
Okay.
Yeah,
So right here.
you got it. There you go. That looks like, yeah, nice.
Nice.
Awesome. So roll it in tight over the top.
Like that?
There you go. Yep. There you go. Good. Up, up, up. There, Pete. Nice. Get it. Yes. Come on, come on. I can't get it. Okay, okay. Drop it back down. You're good. Let go.
I just can't.
It was so
You have
close.
to get it up to here?
Well, you could have got it a little bit higher on your body.
Yeah, maybe
when I
that's
was in
it.
your lap, you had it a little bit too low.
Yeah, I think that's the
So-
problem, because like I'm like here and I'm like, yeah, I
You popped it up.
can't
Fine.
get it up.
I think if you want to give it another try.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a minute.
So when you set it down in your lap, think of getting it to your upper abdomen a little bit more, and then when you pull, think of taking a belly breath where you push your belly out and push into the stone, and then as you drive your hips forward, you're pulling back and pushing out with your abs.
Okay.
Right? So it should go pretty good.
Okay.
You can fucking get this.
Okay.
Yeah. Into your lap first. There you go. Come on.
Come on, Pete.
Let's get this. Nice. Roll it in.
There you go.
Roll it, roll it, roll it. Bring your feet a little bit closer together. There you go. Good. Good. Now sit down. Sit down there. Okay. Big breath. Big breath. We're gonna pop this up. You're gonna do this. Let's go. Squeeze
Big
tight.
explode.
Up, 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 up. Get up, Pete.
Yes.
Come on, come on. Get under.
There
Try
you go.
up. Come on. That's it. Yes.
Hell yeah.
Good stuff, dude. Love it. You know what? It's that end part because you have to change up again to push it over. Yeah.
That's what's different. Well, you can just lift it up, but
Sure.
Whew. That's fun.
For a couple times touching stones, that's not bad.
That's fun.
Yeah. It's a big challenge.
Yeah.
And this is, like I said, this is not, it's a decent weight.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah.
For just jumping in a couple times. It's not, you have to put things in perspective.
Yeah, totally.
So it's
That's fun.
still, I mean, if you were to do it like a power clean with 250 or 260 pounds.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But you're picking it up directly, it's a deficit deadlift, if you will.
Right.
Off the floor, directly off the floor. And it's something that you don't really have handles to.
Yeah.
So, that's good, man.
That was awesome. It was fun. I'm gonna get this shit off of me now. Anyways, man, fuck, that was cool. We did a lot of cool stuff these couple of days.
Absolutely.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah. It's been fun having you.
Yeah, I can't wait to see you compete, to be honest. Like, I just can't wait to see you take the title again.
Yeah,
I have full confidence with what you're doing here, man. And yeah, I guess till next time.
That sounds good, man.
I give you a handshake, but it's gonna be sticky.
That's all right.
It's normal.
It's a
Here, actually, we can't like take our hands apart now. What do you know? What do you know? As weird as the series has been, it's
now we're
getting
holding
even
hands.
more weird still. All right, catch you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Absolutely.
Brian Shaw, make sure you guys check him out and check out his journey to take the Arnold, take the World's Strongest Man, and just check out all this stuff. Very cool. Thanks again to New Age for making this happen. Catch you guys later. As always, my friends, you guys stay sexy, stay hungry, and of course, get laid.
Share your videos with us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. #GetNewAge.
Dude, I can't do this. I can't do this. This hurts.
Do it, man. Do it. Second round, I'll do the shoulders.
Everyone shut up.